we come to the third group under the regular verb, and we want to see the peculiarity of this group, that is, of regular verbs. And here we have, remember, this regular verb we have been talking about, change in the stem vowels. And here we have the third group. There's a change from A to EA. There's a change from E to IE. Okay, German, from A to EA. And we have an example here, the verb sehen. The verb sehen, the verb to see. And this is the conjugation that the usual personal pronoun is sehe. And remember that the change in the stem vowel happens only in the second person singular and in the third person singular. That is du and er. Er, sie, es. So we have the same change in vowel here. We have ich. Let's just go through it again, and you say it after me. Ich sehe, du siehst. Therefore, you see it here. I, that is here. In the original form, as we have explained, then this is the infinitive of the verb. If we remove the ending, we have S-E-H. And now, ich sehe, this is the termination, the ending, which is perfect. And then du, the termination, the ending is correct. But then you see here, there is a change in the stem vowel. Instead of this E, we have I-E. So E has changed to I-E. And then the third one, which is the third person singular, S-E-S, fit. The same thing has happened here. The E has changed to I-E. I want to encourage you again, these verbs are not many, just master these ones. And the ones that are conjugated like them, and you would be very fine. So we have wir sehen, ihr seht, sie sehen. And like that, we have the conjugation of the verb sehen, even though irregular. But I'm sure that with this explanation that you are able to conjugate it on your own. And then after conjugation, we want to practice and say something with the verb. Ich sehe. There's a word I used the other time, and I said we're going to use it more later. Here, dich. Ich sehe dich. I see you, or I am seeing you. And you can exercise yourself by forming a sentence, by adding some things to form a sentence with this verb. And with that, we go to the next group to show us another type of change in the stem vowel of this irregular verb. But before we go, I want to let you know that other verbs that are conjugated like sehen, to see, are lesen, empfehlen, zählen, geschehen. I repeat, lesen, empfehlen, zählen, geschehen. There's something peculiar about the verb geschehen. The verb geschehen simply means to happen. So it's only conjugated in the third person singular. Only in the third person singular. You can only say it happens. That's the only possible personal pronoun that can be used for it. It happens. Es geschieht. Okay? So I take it again. You say it after me. Lesen. Very good. Empfehlen. Very good. Zählen. Very good. Geschehen. Very good. Okay. Once you are able to conjugate sehen, these other verbs follow the same format. All these other verbs can also be successfully conjugated by you. So, once again, we go through it. Lesen. Say it after me. Lesen. Empfehlen. Zählen. Geschehen. So the first one means lesen, it simply means to read. And pelen, it means to recommend. The next one, stelen, means to steal. And then geschehen, to happen. Remember what I said concerning gesehen? It can only be conjugated in third person singular as geschieht. That is, it happened. Because it's not possible to say I happen, you happen, she happens, and we happen. Yeah? So it's only possible in the third person singular as geschieht. It happened. Okay. So we go, that takes us to the fourth group. In the next video, we're going to go to the fourth group of irregular verbs.